Good morning. I look crazy because I am. We're doing a final deep clean right now, and Grandma and Grandpa are coming over today, and hopefully we'll be taking a lot of our furniture. I don't know if there's been a miscommunication, like they're going to take it today or they're going to take it later. They're just coming over to look at it today. I don't know. But everything in the living room pretty much they're taking, and they're going to take a closet and a dresser. So we're going to have one dresser, and we're just getting rid of a lot of stuff today. So the family can use it. I would much rather give it to people who can use it than try to sell it. So hopefully they can use it, and they have someone in mind, one of our family members that is actually moving out again and needs some furniture. See, we have, this room is done. I'm going to go through the clothes again today because I have a cousin, Rafael has a cousin that can use some clothes, and that's good. He won't have to buy that. Definitely saving that. I'm not getting rid of that. Probably get rid of the table today. I'm going to ship this chair for sure. It is sentimental to me. One of my family members made it and gave it to Zeb when he was a kid. And I also use it as a step stool, so it's good. I would really like to keep the ammo boxes. We have 2 of them, but we're not going to. Getting rid of this closet. I wasn't able to strap it to the wall, so the bed is like keeping it from tipping over right now. And we're giving this to our sister-in-law because she is having a baby, and it comes with a mirror too. And these shelves we're getting rid of, so like, yeah, pretty much all the stuff. There's the other ammo box, all their school stuff. Probably getting rid of all of this too, to give to them for the kids to play with over there in the bookshelves. And Abigail, she's a picker. I swear, you don't know the half of it, but yeah, she's a picker. Look what I found. Definitely keeping this. Grandma made this for Zeb, or Rafael. Definitely keeping that. I'm gonna take that with us. This is our hot water heater. I turned it on this morning, but this is a timer for the hot water heater, and we're going to get one of these in America. We did find one on Lowe's that is a little similar to this. This saves us from running the hot water heater all day. It just has, it runs twice a day instead of all day, because that costs a lot of money for electric. We found all this behind the couch. Hadar brought the couch out. I washed the couches down. Hopefully they're going to take them today because I'm done with this living room. How are you guys?
Good. Good.
Thank you. I'm good too. Thanks.
How are you guys reading notes?
Yeah, how are you guys?
Hi, you guys.
Hi.
Hi.
So they're eating oats, and it has sunflower seeds and cacao nibs in it. Sweetened with stevia. Cacao nibs. Oh. I look a little cray right now. I was going to try to get ready before I talked again on the camera, but we got our passports yesterday. Mine and Rafael's that we had to renew because they were expired. Thank goodness we thought about that. Anyway, we renewed them. They are back. It's been, how long has that been? 2 weeks?
Should be about 2.
It was like 2 weeks.
Yeah.
That was crazy.
8th, I think it was.
Yeah.
So.
I think that was really quick because it takes longer than that in America to get your first one, doesn't it?
Tells you it's 2 to 3 weeks.
Oh, does it? Wow, I was like amazed.
Yeah.
And Hadar is going to get his passport back hopefully next week. So we'll see.
It's coming this coming week. It's coming in the mail this coming week, and very hopeful that it will come with a green card stamped on it.
Yeah. Woo! Wouldn't that be nice? If not, we'll just do what they want us to do.
Stamped, then the amount of things we have to do before we leave is reduced to almost nothing.
Right.
We just have to get out of this house with nothing in it.
Yeah.
Fix up the house.
Yes, I'm
We're still looking at 2 more things. As a kitty, she's in the process. She's coming. I mean, she's in the process.
yeah.
And shipping container.
Yeah.
We might not get.
We don't know yet. We're deciding on the cost versus how well we can get it in the States easily and cheaply, and like, is it worth taking? This we are giving to Grandma. So all this stuff is going to come out of here, so my house is going to be a wreck, but it's fine. I have tried to empty it as much as possible. So I just got a box of this still. I've used an entire box of this already. These are the Miracle Noodles, and I got them for 1 shekel per bag. We just got these yesterday, Bamba and corn chips, gluten-free snacks for the kids. And this is all of like Hadar's junk that he rarely eats, and we got some pita for today for them to come over, and cereal up there for the kids. I got really cheap on discount because it was going expired. Y'all are eating good. Okay, so I am making some kosher-friendly food because I'm not sure what they're bringing. She's either bringing a meat lasagna or a cheese lasagna.
We rarely eat dairy at lunch.
Yeah, I'm not sure what she's
If it's got meat in it, then you can't have dairy.
So I went with seasoned potatoes. So I'm going to put these in the oven. I have tuna patties, which are good if she has cheese or meat. It's fine, tuna. And I'm going to have some more protein here with the deviled eggs I'm going to make. And I have the mix right there for the deviled eggs. Mayonnaise and mustard. Now I'm going to put these in the oven. And for dessert, we're just going to have strawberries. I'm going to cut them up. Okay, Grandma and Grandpa are here, but they're taking a walk. The kids were super excited that they got here. Grandma. She has never been here before, and she's like, wow, I want to buy this house. I was like, yeah, I know, I love it. Everyone hates the floor, though, of course, but that can be changed out. But yeah, it's a very cute house. It's very functional. Very good neighborhood. We don't worry at all in this neighborhood. So yeah, she's gonna look into seeing if the guy is gonna sell it, and that would be awesome if we could, you know, one day come back here and visit and live in our old house. That would be great. Maybe even keep all of our furniture here if that's a possibility. We'll see. Yeah, I think we're gonna wait and see though. I don't know. Anyway, Hadar made the salad, and I got the tuna and the deviled eggs ready. They're actually going for a walk right now. Here is her lasagna. It's already cooked. I just have to heat it up, and I have taters, like wedges, in the oven cooking. I'm not going to cook the second batch. I have a small oven, and it takes a long time to cook the that.
You didn't
So
have it on the right setting temperature.
I guess I didn't. It wasn't high enough.
You didn't move it, though?
I got the ugly patties here. We'll eat those later. I got the pretty patties there. The ugly patties are the last ones. It's kind of like the first pancakes you don't eat. Well, like the cookies, and yeah, it's annoying.
Did you increase the temperature?
She loves that bed right there. I do too. Yes, I did. So they're browning right now. We're gonna cook the lasagna, heat it up, and then we are going to be ready to eat. And he set the table, and it looks so pretty. Hey, Mom, do you recognize this? I collect these. Well, I did. I used to. When I lived in America, I collected stuff like that. I don't even know what it is, but I collected it. Alright, looks good. And I gave her all of my cups, all of my glasses, so we're using paper cups. We have to get rid of them anyway, so it's okay.
3.
This is 11. How you call it?
No, that's a J.
Ah,
Jack.
Okay.
J for Jack,
You
yeah.
have J?
Yeah.
Okay.
We have A and Q.
Go fish.
I asked you if you have J.
J, no.
I'm not
I
checking.
numbers, not letters.
Yeah, one piece at a time. Say goodbye.
9, no.
Try not to take them like you.
You can take one.
It's going. Grandpa's taking it,
My turn now. You have 7.
and cousin's gonna get it.
Ja?
Alors, nas uniform?
No, muszę. Vänta för det.
No.
You don't have 7?
Yeah.
Did you check all
Oh yeah,
your
the
cards?
backs come out of it if you want to do that way. You know how a room usually looks bigger? This feels smaller to me now. I don't know. Couches are both gone.
You have 3, 5?
Look.
I want like 2 towels, maybe,
2
to put
towels?
underneath of it.
Oh, okay.
Make sure she doesn't exit the gate.
Yeah, she won't. I got her.
From here.
This is actually good quality still.
You have 7.
Didn't expect it to be this good quality. When you bring something out, it usually looks like garbage, right? But this looks pretty good.
Oh, it's very good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It really does feel so much smaller in here. Okay, they took this and one of the shelves, he's gonna unscrew the other shelf, and hopefully they'll be able to get this into the thing as well. Hopefully. Let's see if you can fit in there.
Sit in box.
Contortionist, that's a little box.
That's a little child.
Here, bend over. Bend over. Put your feet put your head where your feet is.
Head down to the feet.
Head down. Can you do it? Yeah, like that. Wow. We're gonna hide you up there where I had you.
You can put you in a plane like this.
Yeah.
Box.
Everything.
Bye.
Okay. Couches, ammo boxes, dressers, brand new light. Yeah, all gone. Bye. Even got a child rug there. And some of our towels because they needed to strap it in. Got some mirrors. Got some wine bottles that were special. We gave them the special one that has, it was from Hadar's base that they gave him for New Year's like 5 years ago or something like that. So we'll have it for Hadar's birthday party next week. Yeah, Hadar's gonna have his last birthday in Israel, living here in Israel. So we had a very good time with them. Very good food, very good company.
Yes, I love Grandma.
Yep, we all love Grandma and Grandpa.
Yep, I love both of them.
And we just got done eating cheesecake that she made.
Yeah,
it was very
really
good.
yummy.
Here, you want strawberry?
And we ate the whole thing.
Yeah, we ate the whole thing, and then I washed her container. Yeah, see? So, the dishes aren't too bad.
Mommy,
I don't
play
usually
my
have people
first
over,
thing?
but
can I play
yes,
my first
in a minute. So the background's changed a little bit. I just brought the table and chairs so the kids could sit there, or we could sit there occasionally or whatever.
It looks better without the couches. And my
Without the
bed's
couches?
over. Yeah.
Yeah, so we moved the bed right in the middle.
Yep, and that's going to
Rafael's
be
eating
really
salad.
great to sleep over there in the middle is going to be really great.
Yeah, I know. You love that. Hi.
Yep.
She's eating fries. We got fries, tuna patties, and eggs. These are all that's left. And Grandma's food right here is really, really good. She made lasagna, spinach, eggplant lasagna, lots of cheese.
Mmm.
Abigail ate all the literally ate all the strawberries, and she's just picking food right now.
You aren't subscribed yet?
Please subscribe and like.
Comment and share. Fully Living.
I'm gonna turn this wine into water.
Ew.
No, not her. I just fixed her hair.
Oh.
Kitty's okay from the vet. Decided to get them some Danishes. Now, when she said 40 shekels, I was like, what? Smile, Rafael.